Hey guys, here is Mark from Oris Watches hanging out at Christine Jewelers again, and we're going to be doing a little bit of Basel introductions. And today the first watch we're going to be looking at is the new Diver 65 Chronograph. So let's have a look today at the Diver 65 Chronograph. So this year at Basel we introduced the Diver 65 Chronograph. There was a little bit of an embargo on it at the beginning. Now we're finally allowed to talk about it. So what you're seeing here today is a 43mm watch with a black dial. You'll notice that there is no date on the dial. Sapphire crystal, domed, anti-reflective coating on the inside, screw down crown, 100 meters of protection, a very slimmed down bracelet, tapered down to the clasp, very vintage feel. It is the first chronograph in the Diver 65 family, aside from the Cabochon chronograph that was introduced last year. Thickness-wise, you are looking at 16.2 millimeters, and retail in Canada, you're going to be looking at $54.50 on the metal bracelet and $52.00 on the leather strap. And the fine detailing on the bronze trim on the bezel is what really gives this watch a really cool look. You could look for this watch to drop later on this month, and will be available from that point forward. If you're interested, just give Christine Jewelers a call. Give you guys a point of reference, we'll give it a try as well. A great looking watch, doesn't wear too big on the wrist. Just a great watch.